Welcome. Mathematics ABC. So we have make R the subject of the formula. V equals 1/3 pi r square h. Like we said before, what they want is, it says make R, is to make R, to bring R here. The way V is, put R here. Let V meet the rest of other values here. Okay, that's what is meant by making R the subject of the formula. Okay, so this one is carried forward down here. So this is the problem we are solving now. That's the equation. So it says multiply both sides by 3. Whether you are multiplying by 3 or not, just cross this one over. See, the way it is done is that if there is fraction this side and there is fraction this side, you can cross this one over here and cross this one over here, vice versa. This one will go over here, this one will go. That's the left to the right and the right to the left. Up, you are crossing them up. If it is up, if you are crossing the up down. If it is the one or down, you are crossing it up the other side. That's how it's done. So let's go. Cross it, it will give you 3v. Look at it, cross the. You have eliminated the fraction. The essence of crossing is so that there will be no fraction. So now we have pi. We don't take that one for anything. I've told you when we have algebra later. The coefficient, invisible coefficient here is 1. We don't write it. So we have pi r square h. We are asked to make r. Look at the r here. So we'll do everything to bring the whole of these letters this way so that it will remain r. And it is single r we want and not r raised to power 2. So it says divide both sides by pi h. That is pi h, so that this one will remain. We are dividing both sides so that this will remain. But we can as well cross these two over. Since there's nothing to cross over this, we can cross this. That is pi h. We cross it over. We have 3v over pi h. That's what you have here. Cross it over. It's simple. Mathematics doesn't waste time. It doesn't waste time. So when you cross it now, you see that r remains. Now to be able to have single r, you will square this one. That's take the square root of this. Draw square root here. And then r will be alone. That is what you see here. Take the square root, okay, of both sides. So if you take the square root, if you take the square root here, okay, arrow will remain. There will be no 2 here again. It will be a single arrow. That is what when you put square root like this will remain, and that's the answer. Whether you say r equals this or you say this equals r, is the same thing. Whether you turn it the other way around, it's the same thing. So this is the answer. Square root, okay, of 3v all over pi h equals r. That is what they say we should do, making r the subject of the formula. This is done. Okay, look at it and then pause and study gradually. It's not in a hurry, it's gradually.